We are pleased to show you the 2024 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 500 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, convertible soft top, fog lamps, front license plate bracket, LED headlights. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.